Dongguan Fukuno Precision Technology Company Limited, established in 2019, is a professional precision machinery company engaged in product development, sales, and service. Located in Dongguan, Guangdong, with convenient transportation and beautiful environment, it is a team with strong professional background. Since its establishment, Fukuno has been committed to precision machining capacity. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to meet customer requirement and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our products are widely used in medical, aerospace, optoelectronic communications, automation, and other fields. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. With strict management, first-class industry technology, rigorous quality control attitude, meticulous and thoughtful after-sales service, Fukuno has left a deep impression on our customers. Fukuno has advanced production equipment and quality testing instruments, can undertake large orders and ensure the quality of products and delivery time. In order to guarantee and improve product quality, we have obtained ISO 9001 certification. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, high-quality products, and competitive prices. Customer first, quality-based, full attention, keep improving is always the aims and objectives of Fukuno. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.